Hello, good afternoon. I just arrived at home after office, so merienda muna. Then after merienda, I will go to backyard and magga-garden ako. So this is my merienda for today. Biko. Biko, it is a rice cake. This one is a sweet rice with coconut milk, and this one is coconut milk. So we call it biko in the Philippines. Let's eat. It's good. Sarap.